5 sweet potato mistakes that spike blood sugar, stall weight loss, and wreck your diet. Are you making them? Are sweet potatoes wrecking your diet? These vibrant orange tubers are celebrated as a superfood. They are packed with vitamins and fiber. Many people trying to eat healthier add them to their plates. You see them in bowls as fries and even in desserts. This sounds like a great choice, but here is the truth. How you prepare and eat this healthy vegetable can make all the difference. Small, common mistakes can turn this nutritional powerhouse into a source of problems. These errors can derail your health goals, spiking blood sugar and adding empty calories. The problem is not the sweet potato itself. The problem is what we do to it. Let's uncover the 5 most common mistakes. Mistake number 1 is drowning your sweet potatoes in sugar. This is incredibly common, especially during holidays. Think about the classic casserole, loaded with brown sugar, maple syrup, and marshmallows. People think because the base is a vegetable, the dish is healthy. This is a dangerous misconception. Sweet potatoes contain natural sugars. Add concentrated sweeteners and you create a sugar bomb. Sugar hits your bloodstream quickly, triggering a rapid spike. Your pancreas releases a flood of insulin to shuttle glucose into your cells. Repeated spikes can lead to insulin resistance, a precursor to type 2 diabetes. It promotes inflammation and signals fat storage, especially around the belly. Even without diabetes, these roller coasters leave you tired, irritable, and craving more sugar. The fix is simple. Appreciate the potato's natural sweetness. Use spices. Cinnamon adds warmth and supports blood sugar control. Nutmeg, cloves, and a touch of orange or lemon zest add depth without sugar. Roasting brings out inherent sweetness. Often nothing else is needed. One change moves it from dessert back into the vegetable category. You avoid excess sugar and support stable energy, a healthy weight, and long-term metabolic health. Mistake number 2 is how we cook them, specifically deep frying. They're marketed as a healthier alternative to regular fries, but in hot oil, they act like sponges, soaking up fat. Calories skyrocket from unhealthy fats. Restaurants often use cheap oils. Corn, soy, canola, high in omega-6. Too much omega-6 relative to omega-3 promotes chronic inflammation. Heated too high, these oils oxidize and can form harmful compounds, including trans fats. That raises risk for heart disease and other chronic issues. Change the method. Bake or roast with a small amount of heat-stable oil, avocado oil, or extra virgin olive oil. Spread in a single layer and roast until tender inside, crisp outside. An air fryer creates crunch with minimal to no oil. You keep flavor and texture without inflammatory fats. This one switch slashes calories and unhealthy fats. Roasting naturally caramelizes sweetness. No sugar added. Let baked or air-fried be your new standard. It's a win for your taste buds and your long-term health. Enjoying this? Subscribe for more smart nutrition tips. Tap the bell. Mistake number 3, ignoring portion sizes for healthy foods. Sweet potatoes are good so I can eat as much as I want. That mindset backfires. They're nutrient-dense but starchy, higher in carbs and calories. Excess calories over time lead to weight gain. Your body doesn't give healthy calories a free pass. A calorie is energy. Surplus is stored as fat. Bigger portions mean larger glucose and insulin responses, vital for insulin resistance or diabetes. Practice portion awareness. A standard serving is 1 medium potato, about your fist, roughly 150 calories and 30 grams of carbs. Build your plate. Half non-starchy veggies, a quarter lean protein, a quarter sweet potato. Non-starchy vegetables, leafy greens, peppers, zucchini. Add volume and fiber. Add lean protein like chicken or fish. Then the sweet potato serving. Protein, healthy fats and fiber slow absorption for a gentler blood sugar rise. You stay fuller longer, avoid crashes and cravings, and support your goals with right-sized portions. Mistake number 4, peeling away your nutrients. Many people peel sweet potatoes automatically, thinking the skin is tough or inedible, but you're throwing away one of the most nutritious parts. The skin concentrates key nutrients, especially dietary fiber. Peeling can significantly cut total fiber, hurting digestive and metabolic benefits. Fiber regulates digestion, feeds good gut bacteria, supports immunity, mood, and lowers inflammation. It blunts the glucose spike and balances the meal. The fix: stop peeling. Scrub well under running water to remove dirt. Roast whole or cut into slices, wedges, or cubes. Keep the skin on. When roasted, the skin crisps and adds great texture. If mashing, bake whole, and scoop. But know you'll miss the skin's benefits. Skin and just beneath contain antioxidants and micronutrients that protect cells. More nutrition for your money and effort. Wash, scrub, and enjoy the whole potato. You gain fiber, better blood sugar regulation, and a healthier gut. A small habit with a big impact. Keep the skin on. The final mistake, relying on sweet potatoes as your primary vegetable. They're tasty and satisfying, but routine creates gaps. Different colors deliver different vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. Orange means beta-carotene for vision, immunity, and skin. Great, but not everything. Leafy greens offer vitamin K, folate, iron. Peppers and tomatoes bring vitamin C and lycopene. Purples add anthocyanins. Lack of variety isn't optimal. Aim to eat the rainbow. Think of sweet potato as the starchy component, surrounded by colorful vegetables. Gentle methods preserve nutrients better than aggressive boiling. Water-soluble vitamins can leach into boil water. Steaming or baking retains more. Cook whole in skin to trap nutrients. If you do boil, save the cooking water for soups, stews, or gravies. Pair with healthy fat, olive oil, avocado, nuts, or seeds to absorb fat-soluble vitamin A. Recap: 1. Skip added sugar. Use spices. 2. Ditch deep frying, bake or air fry with minimal oil. 1. Mind portions, about a fist. 4. Keep the skin on. 5. Eat the rainbow, don't rely on one color. Pick one fix for your next meal, roast with cinnamon or build a more colorful plate. Treat sweet potatoes with care, and they'll reward you with steady energy, a healthy weight, and long-term vitality. Now I'm curious, how do you usually eat sweet potatoes? Boiled, fried, baked, and mashed? Comment below and let me know. And don't forget to watch the next video on the screen. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay active, stay healthy, and stay happy.